Welcome to DWA Commerce. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your website. We'll cover selecting a website theme and setting up your domain. Let's get started. The first step is to log into the admin console. You can find the link for the admin console in the email you received during registration. But before we proceed with the first step, let's address what happens when you click on the website link provided in the email. Upon clicking the link, you will encounter a message on the page stating that the DWA Commerce site has not been set up yet. Now let's move forward and learn how to set it up. Once you click on the admin console link, you will be directed to the login page. Your login credentials will also be provided in the email. Remember, the password for logging in will be the same password you created during registration. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Select Website Theme submenu, which can be found under the Getting Started menu. Here, you'll be able to choose the theme that best suits your website. Take your time to explore the available options and select the one that appeals to you. When you've made your decision, click on Set Theme to apply it to your website. Now that we have selected the theme for our website, the next step is to set up website's domain name. To do so, click on the Set Up Website Domain submenu inside the Getting Started menu. Here, you'll simply need to provide the domain name of your choice. Ensure that the IP address displayed on the domain setup screen is the one to which your website domain is currently directed. Please note that it may differ from what is shown in this video recording. Once you've entered the domain name, click on Update Domain Name to save your changes. Now, if you enter the domain name you provided in your browser, you'll see that your website has been set up with the selected theme. This means that when users search for your website, they will be directed to your website with the chosen theme. Congratulations! You're on your way to creating a beautiful and functional website. Remember, you can always add products, categories, and customize various aspects of your website later on. Any categories, brands, and products you created during the initial setup process will be automatically added to your website. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with DWA Commerce. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.